Welcome to our updated guide on how to view an old comment you've made on Instagram. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Locate the Instagram app icon and tap to launch it. Next, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access your account settings. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Select Your Activity from the menu. This option allows you to view and manage your activity on Instagram, including comments you've made. In the Your Activity section, tap on Comments. This will display all the comments you've made on posts on Instagram. To view comments from a specific time period, tap on All Dates. This will give you the option to filter comments based on dates. Next, tap on Date Range and enter the start date and end date for the comments you want to view. This will help you narrow down the search results to find the specific comment you're looking for. By following these steps, you can easily access and view old comments you've made on Instagram, allowing you to revisit past interactions and engagements on the platform. Reviewing your old comments can be a great way to reminisce, reflect, or simply keep track of your interactions on Instagram over time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you navigate the process of viewing old comments you've made on Instagram and explore your past interactions on the platform effectively.